Hi everyone, this is I Discover Iran. It's March 22nd, the 23rd day of the war between Iran, Israel, and the United States. This is the glorious Chaharbagh Avenue. So we've been in Isfahan and Tehran over the past 23 days. Situation in Tehran is much different, but even in Isfahan, compared to the 12-day war passed in June, situation is much more different. Residential areas have been targeted. Obviously, we're not allowed to film those areas. Infrastructures such as police stations have been targeted, and we can hear fighter jets in the sky almost every day. We can hear explosions in the sky almost every day. But the purpose for us today is to show you how the life is going on in the city of Isfahan during this difficult time. This is what resilience looks like. Tea and coffee being poured, families are strolling, and life refusing to pause. The loudest sound here isn't sirens, it's laughter. And that is the failure of the aggressor's strategy, in my view. Look at all these people. Look at the families. And this is the meaning of resilience. This is all because of the rich culture of Iranians. This is how they can handle such a tough situation. Remember, we can hear fighter jets in the sky. We can hear explosions. Occasionally, residential areas are being targeted. Schools are being targeted. Infrastructures are being targeted. But these people are strong. And that was an explosion. I'm not kidding. There was an explosion just now, and you have these people on the street. One interesting aspect is that this avenue is older than the countries that are now attacking Iran, and Chaharbagh has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, and I'm sure it will outlast this moment too. Many might question themselves why Iranians are not surrendering after so many attacks, after attacking so many residential areas and infrastructures, after attacking schools. We just saw the memorial of 165 innocent students being killed on the very first day of this war. I think the misunderstanding is not military. It is the assumption that you can break a nation with 2,500 years of continuous history, continuous culture, with a few nights of noise. Yes, you can target coordinates, but you cannot target the rhythm of daily life that has been going on this avenue for 400 years.